Hello, everyone. In this lecture, we examine how law has shaped the history of LGBTQ plus rights in the United States. Chapter 5 focuses on constitutional law and the legal struggles that determined whether LGBTQ plus people would be recognized as entitled to protection under the law. A central idea introduced in this chapter is that the United States Constitution does not grant rights. Instead, constitutional rights are understood as natural rights that already belong to individuals, while the Constitution limits the government's ability to interfere with those rights. The Bill of Rights establishes protections such as freedom of speech and due process, but sexuality itself is never explicitly mentioned in the Constitution. Because sexual liberty was not directly enumerated, courts were left to determine whether constitutional protections could extend to LGBTQ plus people. Historically, access to rights depended on whether groups were recognized as fully human and independent citizens under the law. Earlier in U.S. history, enslaved people and married women were denied many constitutional protections, demonstrating that rights have often been applied unevenly across populations. The chapter explains that legal arguments supporting LGBTQ plus rights developed through interpretations of constitutional principles, especially privacy and liberty. The Ninth Amendment played an important role by recognizing that rights not specifically listed in the Constitution may still belong to the people. This idea allowed courts to interpret the Constitution as an evolving document capable of protecting rights not anticipated at the nation's founding. Legal regulation of gender and sexuality has a long history in the United States. Laws criminalizing cross dressing and same sex intimacy demonstrate how governments attempted to regulate gender expression and sexual behavior. These laws reinforced social norms by defining certain identities and practices as deviant or criminal. During the 20th century, major legal debates increasingly focused on whether same sex relationships were protected under constitutional guarantees of privacy. Court decisions addressing reproductive rights and personal autonomy helped establish legal reasoning later applied to sexual liberty claims. However, progress was not linear. The Supreme Court decision in Bowers versus Hardwick upheld sodomy laws and represented a major setback for LGBTQ plus equality by affirming the legality of criminalizing same-sex intimacy. The decision prompted strong responses from activists, scholars, and legal advocates who continued challenging such laws. This setback was eventually overturned by Lawrence versus Texas, in which the Supreme Court ruled that consensual same sex intimacy between adults is protected under the Constitution. This decision marked a turning point by affirming that LGBTQ plus individuals possess the same liberty interests as other citizens. Following recognition of sexual liberty, legal debates increasingly turned toward equality and recognition, particularly in relation to marriage. Conflicts over same sex marriage emerged at both state and federal levels. The Defense of Marriage Act defined marriage federally as a union between one man and one woman and allowed states to refuse recognition of same sex marriages performed elsewhere. Subsequent Supreme Court decisions challenged these restrictions. United States versus Windsor invalidated key provisions of the Defense of Marriage Act, and Obergefell versus Hodges ultimately established marriage equality nationwide, recognizing same sex couples' constitutional right to marry. These rulings expanded legal recognition while also generating ongoing political and cultural debate. The chapter also emphasizes that legal equality does not eliminate discrimination or violence. Hate crime legislation developed in response to violence targeting LGBTQ plus individuals, yet protections vary widely across states. Legal recognition, therefore, exists alongside continuing inequality and contested protections. Overall, LGBTQ plus legal history demonstrates that rights emerge through sustained legal challenges, activism, and shifting interpretations of constitutional principles. Court decisions both reflect and influence broader social change, showing that law is not separate from culture or politics. Understanding this legal history helps explain how LGBTQ plus rights expanded from criminalization and exclusion toward recognition and protection under constitutional law. At the same time, the chapter reminds us that legal struggles continue as courts address new questions concerning equality, religious freedom, and civil rights protections. As we move forward in this course, this legal framework provides essential context for understanding contemporary debates surrounding LGBTQ plus rights in the United States.